What's up, guys? Welcome back to day 3 here at Flite Fest. Today's when the real fun starts. So these last 2 days we've been doing championships for each day, and it's just all for high fives, right? There's nothing on stake, nothing you can win with it, but today things change. Today things get real. Today the winner gets a wild card invitation to the national championship. So far I think the first day I came in second day I came in third, but today I play the Ricky Bobby strategy and it's first or last, it doesn't matter. So there's no prize for second place. So I want to make sure I'm pushing myself hard all day long, just so that when I get to that finals, I'm used to going that speed and I can really push hard and try to compete with Bull and beast modes coming in. So it should be real fast, real good racing. I just had so much fun racing last night with K-Mead and Bull. K-Mead's probably my favorite guy to fly with. He's so smooth, you can stay behind him, he's super fast, just a lot of fun to race with. It's probably the most fun racing I have. It's just awesome racing with that guy. So anyway, I think I finally showed in the end I can go fast, but I gotta clean things up. I gotta start making less mistakes, and I'm just hoping if I keep going fast all day, I can get used to it and really, keep those lines down by the end. So we're just gonna have fun, go for it. And anyway, we're just leaving the hotel. We're about to get in the car, drive into Flite Fest, and get those thumbs warmed up. Anyways, let's go back. Alright guys, special treat for me today. Turns out that doing combat with quads is not just for Rotor Riot this year. So I got myself entered into combat with my 4S quad. Been a long time since I've flown a 4S quad. But I got my Armor-Tide Rooster, just got it fixed up. Hopefully it'll be good to go fly, smash into those planes. I got the GoPro set up and it's nice to get some fun racing and fun fly, killing some planes. It'll be a great time. Can't wait.
Keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I think you're addicted to drama. It keeps you sleeping at night. Keep losing your shit on my problems. You know that something ain't right. Blaming me for causing your insanity. I'm pretty sure you're born like this. Talk before you think it's your original touch, but I guess it kinda works on you. You got me paper thin, doing concrete face, diving romance in the madness. You got me good, baby, keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. You already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. You got me paper thin, doing concrete face, diamond romance in the madness.
Alright guys, combat didn't go quite as planned. Biggest issue I had was that my GoPro failed. It was locked up when I was there, really super hot, so no GoPro footage. So I got some DVR for you, but it's pretty rough. I hit a few quads out there, or sorry, I hit a few planes out there. It was a lot of fun, but then I spun a prop nut and just failed it around. And lucky enough, someone found that quad for me. It was great. I got it back. I'm missing one prop and one prop nut, but no big deal. The GoPro is still there, so big win. I was hoping to be a little bit better. Cricket was out there just destroying planes, though. He's having a good time, so that was fun. But anyway, time to get back to that racing. So today, right, if I'm not first, I'm last, so let's go get it. Alright guys, finally starting to feel good on this track. Just putting consistent 10-second, 11-second laps, felt so good. Pulled a 10.6, 10.7, 10.6 is my new qualifying time. My goal is really to push hard, get into the 10s, I've done that, so now I just gotta find those extra seconds. Both still at 9.9. 0.7's a lot of time on this track, but just gotta push and go for it and push it closer, start making him nervous so I can catch up to him and just go get it done.
And here tonight, you know, when we get to the end of this thing, one of our pilots going to be a wildcard qualifier. This is race 6. We're in our winner's bracket right now. K Mead, knee down, Johnny Fly, and Slowpoke. Top 2 going up in our winner's bracket. 3rd and 4th, still with the life in that consolation bracket. Good luck, pilots. Goggles down, thumbs up. Arm your quadcopters. Live on the tone in less than 5. Great start. 4 pilots making it happen here in race 6. Staying alive. Top qualifiers from our fields.
We got a battle in 1st and 2nd out there.
Who are we watching? K Mead and Slowpoke. K Mead and Johnny Fly.
Quarter of a second between them. And oh no! Johnny Fly clipping the gate in the back. He's down. K Mead out in front.
And now Chris Thomas, it is now time to play Chase the Ace for the first time, maybe of many, maybe of a few, here tonight. Your final four, K-Mead, Mayhem, Bull-FPV, and Johnny Fly. Ready to play. Chase the Ace at Flite Fest East. Goggles down, thumbs up. Pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone in less than 5.
What a launch.
Throwdown, showdown, Bull-FPV, K-Mead, Johnny Fly, Mayhem through that gate in that order. People in the chat saying, is Mayhem Marshall S? Yeah, Mayhem is killing it in this final four. Huge field of pilots. And holding his zone, going to climb onto that lead lap with the rest of our field right there. But as Bull, K-Mead, Johnny Fly, 1, 2, 3, all 3 pilots separated by a second and a half. And Mayhem pulling up the rear with another 3 laps to go. There is Bull-FPV, K-Mead, Johnny Fly. Bull's still your leader. Whole shot and then down to 2. And Mayhem down. Your first one to go into the soybeans here in the first round to chase the ace. There's Bull-FPV and K-Mead, 1 and 2, 1.9 seconds apart. On to lap 4 with 2 to go. And Johnny Fly now 5.4 seconds back from one of the top 2 positions. White flag flying. Bull-FPV onto his final lap. Man, he's got a gear. K-Mead is right with him, but 3.4 seconds back. And here comes Johnny Fly onto that lead lap. All 3 pilots on the last one, but Bull-FPV is going to win the first one. 5 laps in 59 seconds. That's the fastest 5 laps we have seen so far here at Flite Fest East. Arm your quads. Live on the tone in less than 5. And we are underway right there. Mayhem with some issues.
Right now, it looks like Bull's got that lead, but Johnny Fly is close behind him.
RC Addict says, come on, Johnny, homegrown Canadian FPV, so let's go, Bull. Everyone working on lap 2 as we put Bull-FPV now onto lap 3. Johnny Fly, 1.7 seconds back from him. K-Mead, 2.9 seconds back from him. Will this be an eclectic finish? Will it be a fantastic finish? Johnny Fly, 1.9 seconds back behind off of Bull-FPV.
Checked out.
We just lost Johnny Fly. K-Mead with some issues as well. And now Bull-FPV on his final lap, and I think this is his victory lap right here. Getting by some lap traffic over our Flite Fest hurdle, and Bull-FPV is your Flite Fest East Ohio champion right there. Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday night, and for the first time in Chase the Ace history, we go back to back right there.
All right, guys, that's going to bring my Flite Fest adventure to an end. I said in the beginning of the day, if I'm not first, I'm last, and I got to those finals and go figure I was last. But you know what? I gave it a good show. I put in some hard laps. I was trying to catch up to that guy. Bull was just unstoppable today. What can you do? So, you know what? There's always next time, right? This is just adventure number 1. Of adventure number 2, we're going to keep getting faster, start pushing these guys more and more, and it's kind of fun to be the old guy pushing these young kids around, but you know, maybe next time. I was real proud of my 10.4 qualifying time. Had a whole bunch of things in the 10s. That was another goal of mine today, so I felt real good that I pulled that off. You know, next time I'll figure out how to get into the 9s. And yeah, that's just how it goes, right? So real cool, just hang out here in the evening. They got a bunch of LEDs going up on the planes, real cool. Flite Fest has been a great event, had a great time racing, just always great people here. Always a good time. If you're ever able to check out a Flite Fest in the future, highly recommend it. Anyway, guys, I'm going to leave you there, get stuff packed up, get ready to start heading home. Definitely a bit beat, but as always, I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.